I first met Stacy about 5 years ago, and it was right at the perfect time because I had been struggling with severe endometriosis for about 15 years. And I'd tried everything at that point, and I was at the point where the doctors had told me I would need a hysterectomy, and I knew that that wasn't the answer. So thankfully this beautiful woman came into my life. She showed me so many amazing healing modalities, healing ways other than the way the doctors had told me it had to go. And through working with Stacy over these last 5 years, I have completely eradicated all pain. I no longer have a painful period. I now have, I guess, a normal period, which I've never had that in my life. I've never had a normal period for a normal amount of days, and normal flow without crippling pain. I no longer believe I have endometriosis. I believe we have healed it, and now we just keep tweaking to help my body balance the fluctuations, natural fluctuations in hormones as needed. She really has been an amazing, incredible help for my healing and my health, and I'm truly grateful for everything that I have, everything that she has been able to help me through.